Hello everyone and welcome to another video. And today I'll be showing to you the top 3 summer products that Hello Glow has to offer. First on the list will be their Vitamin C Serum Soothing Gel, and this is a huge tub actually. It's a 300 ml tub and it helps lighten dark spots. It has anti-aging and antioxidants and it is a moisturizer. It's actually a 4-in-1 serum and soothing gel. So it has vitamin C and jojoba. So this product is made in Korea, and once again, this is a product of Hello Glow. So if you're looking for a certain product which already has a lot of benefits, starting with anti-aging, antioxidant, and it can also moisturize your skin, and it can also help lighten the dark spots on your skin, not only on your face but the whole body. Try the Vitamin C Serum Soothing Gel. So if you have mga bites from insects from the beach, you can try this out. It has a lot of benefits for you. So please don't mind my face. I have a lot of blemishes right now because I have been to the beach this weekend and a lot of things happened. So emotional distress can really disbeauty you guys. So please avoid stress, everyone. Avoid emotional stress. Look at the bright side of things and always go for positivity. So let's go to the next product. So from this, we'll have the Ultralight Matte Sunscreen. Hello Glow siya, guys, and it has cica and 4% niacinamide and ceramides. I have been using this especially because it's summer and you are always going to be exposed to the sun because the beach, and it's going to be very sunny during summer season. So you really need this to protect not only your face but also your body. The good thing about this product is it has oil control, matte finish, and also skin blurring. So it doesn't act only as a sunscreen but can act also as a covering to your face. So it has a makeup type of matte finish to your face. It has skin blurring effect which can help you like cover your huge pores. Diha, it will appear flawless on the camera and in person. It has SPF 30. It's within the recommended SPF for beauty products. So once again, this is Hello Glow. And for the SRP or the suggested retail price, kindly check out Shopee, Lazada, Bilena direct sales. And I saw this also in Rose Pharmacy. This is not really a sponsored ad by Rose Pharmacy, but shout out to Rose Pharmacy and also Prince Hypermart. I saw these products being displayed there. Okay, so once again, this is the Ultralight Matte Sunscreen. Last product on the list will be the Hello Glow Blemish Miracle Set. I really need this right now because I have a lot of breakouts right now. This one, you can see the spots on my face. Whenever I have hormonal imbalance due to menstruation or premenstrual cycle, nako, padong kodog-on, laktod pagkasulti, manggawas gyud akong bugas. And this is the perfect time I get to use this product. I have received this multiple times and I've already given some of the boxes to my friends. All the Hello Glow products that I have right now are made from Korea, and if it's made from Korea, you are assured of quality products. So inside this box are 4 different products. Let me get them out for you. First, of course, is the cleanser. You need to ensure that you clean your face before applying anything. This is the Miracle Clear Skin Cleanser, AHA BHA, which gently exfoliates, deeply cleanses, and brightens your skin. And this is a 60 ml bottle. Next is, after cleansing your face, you apply the toner. This is the Miracle Pore Control Toner. It maintains skin's pH level, calms inflamed pores, and smoothens skin. This is alcohol-free and is a 65 ml bottle. So again, after cleansing, you use the toner, and after the toner, next, you can use this Miracle Acne Corrector Serum, AHA BHA, plumps the skin, soothes redness, and reduces dark spots. This is a 15 ml tube, and you can only apply this on the spots that need correction. Spots like this, here, here, and here. You don't have to apply this on the whole face. You don't have to apply the Miracle Acne Corrector Serum on the whole face. Only on the spots that need correction. Lastly, the Miracle Acne Calming Cream. The AHA BHA cream that helps remove troubled spots, reduces pimple size, and dries out blemishes. This is also a 15 ml tube. Again, only apply this cream on problematic spots like this here that I have wherever your acne is. So again, these small tubes are only intended for the spots that need help or correction. But both of this, of course, you need to apply the toner and the cleanser. You need to apply on the full face. And please take note, the cleanser has to be added with water first. You can't cleanse your face with only the cleanser. It has to be applied on wet face. And after wetting your face, put this on your face and lather it. Make sure you massage it as well. So that's going to be it. Hello Glow products. Thank you so much once again for the trust, Ever Bilena and Hello Glow, for sending me your summer goal, save your glow PR kit. Thank you so much, because your skin matters. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next vlog. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you wish to support my channel, please invite your friends to please follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much once again for your support. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Love yous. Bye!